Hello everyone, welcome to Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is nature of personal management. As in the previous video we already discussed about the meaning of HRM, personal management also. So in today's video we'll discuss about the nature of personal management. So before starting the video I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is nature of personal management. So what is nature of personal management? The emergence of personal management can be attributed to the writings of human relationists who attached great significance to the human factor. Lawrence aptly remarked that management is personal administration. This view is partially true as management is concerned with the efficient and effective use of both human as well as non-human resources. So personal management is both related to only human management, personal management in the departments in the organization, whereas management is related to the human as well as non-human resources. Thus, personal management is only a part of the management process uh, because it is related to human only. At the same time, it must be recognized that personal management is inherent in the process of management. So, personal management is the part of management itself. This function is performed by all the managers throughout the organization rather than by the personal department only, because in the organization, in each and every department there is recruitment done for the selection of employees. So all the departments are involved in the personal department also, personal management also. If a manager is to get the best of his people, he must undertake the basic responsibility of selecting people who will work under him and to develop, motivate, and guide them. However, he can take the help of specialized services of personal department in discharging this responsibility. So the manager may be related to personal department, or any other department is related to also the personal department, personal management. And the manager related to personal department, he undertake the basic responsibility of selecting people, recruiting people for the organization. Personal management permeates all the functional areas of management such as production management, financial management, marketing management. That is, every manager from top to bottom working in any department has to perform the personal functions which are related to personal department. Through the personal department is created under the supervision of a person designated as personal manager. It should not be assumed that the other managers are relieved of his responsibility. So personal department is under the person who is named as personal manager. Personal management is not a one shot function. It must be performed continuously if the organizational objectives are to be achieved smoothly. To quote G.R. Terry, the personal function cannot be turned on or off like water from a faucet. It cannot be practiced only 1 hour each day or 1 day a week. Personal management requires a constant alertness and awareness of human relations and their importance everyday operations, because personal management includes so many features, so many operations related to personnel employed in the organization. For example, recruitment, selection, training, development, and so on. So there are so many functions which comes under the personal management department. So this is the nature of personal management. I again summarize all the points. According to Lawrence Apley, management is the personal administration, and personal management is the part of complete management, because management is related to both human as well as non-human resources, whereas personal management is related to only human resources in the organization. Personal department is worked under the personal management manager, and it is a function of all the managers throughout organization to perform the duty of personal department, because all the functions related to recruitment, selection, training, development, and other functions also performed in all the departments of the organization itself. So this is all about the nature of personal management. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any of the topic related to business management, human resource management, research methodology, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.